Hi there and welcome to TechPlower. I've been wanting for quite some time to get a better microphone for my videos. I looked around on the internet and Googled and YouTubed, and the result was the DJI Mic. And here I have it in front of me, in the box. I decided to go with the one transmitter and one receiver option, since I don't really have a need for two transmitters. So let's take a look at the box first. On the front here, we see a picture of the DJI receiver and the DJI microphone. And on the top here, we see that it's the DJI microphone with one transmitter and one receiver. On the side here, we see the URL for DJI. On the other side, we simply see the DJI logo. On the top here, we don't have anything, just a white box. And on this side, we have a lot of certification information and also the made for iPhone sign. On the back, we see what is included in the box and a lot of other information. So we looked at the box, but of course the main exciting thing is inside the box. So let's dig into it and see what we have. And of course I have my trusty unboxing knife. So let's open that one and let's dive in. Turn the box around and try to find a good spot to open it. Let's see, I think this one is a good spot. And this is probably enough. Plastic is off. And let's open the box. It's opened on this side, I guess. And inside we have a bag and some manuals. Nothing else in the box. Let's put that to the side. What do we have here? We have some quick start guide and safety guidelines. And what is that? Just some other information that we don't need. So let's put that to the side as well. And here we have this little bag or little pouch where everything fits in. So let's open it up. So we open it up and here we have all the things we need. Let's open this zipper. In the first pocket we have the DJI mic itself. In the other pocket we have the receiver. Oh, this is actually smaller than I thought. And here we have some more stuff. Let's take a look. We have a dead cat when we want to use it outside to get rid of some wind noise. There's nothing else in the pocket, but here are some more things. We have a cable that can be used to connect to a camcorder. The TRS cable. In this pouch, let's see, what do we have here? If it opens, here we have what it seems like a charging cable. Yep. So it's a charging cable with USB-C on this end and double USB Type-C on the other end. So I can actually charge both the receiver and the microphone at the same time. Here in this pouch, we have two adapters. One to connect the microphone to an iPhone with a lightning connector, and another adapter to connect it to some other smartphone or computer with a USB Type-C connector. And we have yet another pouch here. Yeah, this is the clip, which can be used to put the microphone on a shirt or some other type of clothing. So there's one thing that I don't see here. Maybe, oh yeah, sorry. Here it is. It's the magnet on the microphone. So here we also have a clip for the actual microphone. And this magnet can also be used to fasten the microphone on some clothing. And this is of course a clip to put on the receiver, not the microphone. So that is fastened under here. So these are the things that are included in this package. So they have the little bag We have the cable that can be connected to a recorder. We have the iPhone adapter. We have the smartphone or computer adapter with USB Type-C. We have the clip for the receiver, which can also be used as a cold shoe or put on the cold shoe. We have the receiver itself, which is really tiny. We have an on button here. We have USB Type-C to charge the receiver. We have an out port here, which can be used with this cable to connect it to a camcorder if you want. We have a headphone jack if you want to monitor your audio that comes into the receiver. And then we have the connectors here that these adapters connect to. Hi there, me in the future here. When I was reviewing the footage from the unboxing, I realized something, that I kind of forgot to show you the main features of the receiver. So let's do it now. So I showed you a little bit when I turned on the receiver during the unboxing. But here you can see I have a display on the receiver. But it's not only a display, it's also a touchscreen. So if you swipe down from the top, you get all kinds of settings. For example, how the recording should be stored, the receiver gain, the volume for the headphones when you're monitoring the audio through the receiver, the transmitter settings, and all kinds of other settings. And also, if you have a microphone connected to the receiver, you will be able to access some short actions for the microphone through the receiver. But this was just a quick look at the settings on the receiver. I will have a separate video going through all the settings and how to configure things. But this will be enough for now. So back to the past me. We had looked at the dead cat that can be used. And then on the microphone, we have an on button as well. We have a USB Type-C port to charge it. We have the microphone. And then we also have a TRS port to connect a lavaliere mic if you want to use that. But this of course can also be used as a microphone because it has a microphone on it, of course. On this side we have a link button to link the transmitter to the receiver, and then we also have a rack button to start the recording. And I think actually it is used to start the internal recording. And that's basically it for the transmitter. So for this unboxing I've been using my lavaliere mic. But let's quickly connect the DJI microphone just without changing any settings and see how it sounds like compared to the lavaliere mic that I've been using for many years. So let's do a quick switch up. So here's the receiver, and I've turned it on and went through a small setup page, selecting the language and the time and date. And now we see that there is no microphone connected to it. And since I have an iPhone, I will connect this lightning adapter to the receiver. Let me figure out how to put it on. This way it seems. Goes all the way in. So that's ready. As you can see, I'm using a lavaliere mic now, just on my shirt here. But let's disconnect it and use the DJI mic instead. So now I switch to the DJI microphone and hopefully it sounds good. You see that I have both a green light and a red light on the DJI microphone. That means that I have a recording going on that goes to the receiver, and then the red light says that I have a backup recording as well on the microphone, so an internal recording on the microphone itself. So if we turn the camera around, we can see that the receiver is connected to my iPhone and the green bar is going up and down and it's not peaking, so hopefully we are getting a good audio from the microphone. So it will be really interesting to see how good the audio is from the DJI microphone compared to the lavaliere microphone I've been using for some years. But I will have a comparison video that you can look at later on. But this was the unboxing of the DJI microphone, and we have the content here on the table, and this is all what we get. And you are now hearing, of course, the audio from the DJI microphone. Hopefully you hear the difference. I really hope you liked this video. I really like making them myself. And if you like my videos, please consider subscribing because it really helps my channel grow. If you have any questions regarding the DJI microphone, the lavaliere microphone I've been using, or any other technical questions, don't hesitate and comment down below. See you in my next video.